Don't you just hate it sometimes when you have a cut and you can't find your first aid kit? Well, let me introduce to you the Curad Complete First Aid Kit. As you can see, this has everything that you need in an easy, durable, hard case that you can carry with you anywhere. First aid essentials for minor cuts, minor burns, minor bruises. Contains 175 items. It has basically everything that you need. Let's say first aid kit. Here it just describes a complete list of what's in here. You have cleaning gloves, tweezers, whole different kind of bandages. Okay, ranging from small to big. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what it actually looks like. And by the way, this case is pretty much waterproof container. And I bet you this can probably float in the water too. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Pop that open. And look at this. Okay, wow. So you have your coat pack, compression coat pack, okay? Some bands, hand cleansing wipe. It has nice compartments, okay? And what's in here? Alcohol prep pads. And you have your tweezer right here. Plastic tweezer. Sanitary gloves. 2 pair. It's probably a size medium. Okay. And, okay, the prep pads. Alright. And let's see what's in here in the adhesive bandages. A big box of different assortment of adhesive bandages that get described in the box, okay, ranging from big all the way to small ones. All right, so a lot of items. If you do the math, it's going to turn out to be 175 items. With so many size bandages, let's go ahead and open one of these up. How about this one? To see the quality of the bandaid. So let's imagine I have a cut right here. Oh, nice coloring. Oh, it's that kind of like cloth type material, unlike the the cheap ones. The cheap ones that you buy is like plasticky feel. Oh, that is a good feel. That's high quality material bandaid. And even under here, you have your gauze pads. Oh, along this weird shaped bandage, and along with some extra big bandages. So ranging from small to big, everything you need in a complete first aid kit, and also in a easy to carry and portable case that you could take with you anywhere, making this the ideal first aid kit for businesses, homes, car or boat,